Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not showing in notification setting on iPhone in iOS 15.2. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall WhatsApp. Touch and hold WhatsApp app. Tap remove app. Delete app and reinstall app. Tip number 2. Reset location and privacy setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Journal. Scroll down. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Location and Privacy. Tap Reset Setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Tip number 3. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Journal. Scroll down. Tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Tip number 4. Check screen time setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Screen Time. Scroll down. Tap Content and Privacy Restriction. Tap Allow Apps. Turn on WhatsApp, then check notification working or not. Tip number 5. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Journal, scroll down, tap Reset all setting. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Tip number 6. Force restart your iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12 and 13 Pro Max. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the volume down button. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the home button. Thanks for watching this video.